Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And for the most part, stocks opened a tad bit higher today after Tuesday's decline, with investors weighing data showing moderate inflation, cautious statements coming out of European Central Bank from Draghi. And we're waiting for the Fed minutes to come out at 2 p.m. this afternoon for the Fed to shed a little bit more light on details of what to expect moving forward with raising interest rates or not and how long that may continue. But we'll take a look at the S&P 500 to start, currently trading at 2,883.71. Up almost 0.2% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend. And as you can see from the simple moving average I have on the charts too, the 50-day has crossed back over the 200-day, indicating that we are heading back into a bull market. Key level to watch moving forward will be 2,785.02. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. US dollar continuing to sit right around that $97 level. Really hasn't been able to break above 97.50, trading at 97.04, relatively unchanged on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 85, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend, just coming under some minor recent weakness on a daily level and staying consistently above its 250-day moving average. Key level to watch would be 95.83. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones coming under some recent weakness after hitting around that almost 26,500 level. Currently has a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up for the Dow. 26,124.23 on the day, losing a little bit right now, about 1/10 of a point down. It had been down as much as 40 points earlier in trading. Again, we did get that cross of the 50-day above the 200-day, and it is accelerating to the upside. Key level to watch would be 25,372.26. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently trading at 7,944.09 with a chart analysis score of plus 100. And our key level to watch will be 7,579.29. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle for the NASDAQ. Take a look at gold, currently trading at 1,310.90. However, we still do have a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are in a short-term sidelines position for gold with a long-term downtrend kicking in on that monthly trade triangle. Key level to watch will be $1,300.60. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for gold. Take a look at crude oil, currently trading at 64.17 with a chart analysis score plus 90. That 50-day moving average is getting close to crossing back over in a positive territory for crude oil. Key level to watch will be 63.29. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position on the short-term time frame for crude oil. I'll back out of here. We'll take a look at Bitcoin, holding steady above 5,000 level, which is nice to see. Chart analysis score remains plus 90, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. However, the 50-day is still below that 200-day moving average, so we need to see that cross come across that, and referred to as the golden cross, which should give us pretty much a great signal that things are going to accelerate to the upside. However, right now, key level to watch remains 3,850.45. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. But it is nice to see Bitcoin holding that level around $5,200 right now. With that, every success. I'll be back on Friday to wrap up the week and give you some key levels to watch next week.